Welcome to Grade 4 Science, Unit 4 Sound. Sound is what you can hear. You hear with your ear. Music is a sound. You can make sound with your mouth and your voice. Sound comes from a source. A source is where the sound starts. This boy yelling into this megaphone is the source or the start of the sound. The sound then travels to the ear of this boy, and this boy can hear the sound. This airplane is another source. The sound the airplane makes travels to the ear of this boy, and he can hear it. The airplane is a source. Sound travels through solids, liquids, and gases. Which do you think sound travels best through? Did you guess solids? Yes, sound travels best through solids. Even this string is a solid. Sound travels best through it and this piece of wood. How is sound made? Sound is made when things vibrate. A vibration is a back and forth movement. It is like this swing. When it moves backwards and forwards, that is what a vibration looks like. We cannot actually see vibrations, but we can feel them. Look at this boy and girl singing. If you sing and put your hand on your neck while you are singing, you can feel the vibration too. Did you feel that? That is a vibration. The strings on a guitar vibrate when you pull them. Sound travels because vibrations travel. So this guitar, when the strings are pulled, it's the source of the sound. The sound is now going to travel to the boy's ear. It is traveling because the vibrations are traveling. Sounds can be loud or soft. The volume of a sound is how loud or soft it is. We call it the volume. We can measure how loud or how soft a sound is. The decibel is how we measure the volume of sound. We measure decibels with a sound level meter. This is a sound level meter. If small vibrations cause soft sounds, large vibrations cause loud sounds. If sounds are too loud, we can muffle them. That means we can make them less loud. We can wear ear defenders to muffle the sounds and make them less loud. We can put silencers on cars, trucks, and motorcycles to make sounds less loud. This is the silencer. It muffles the sound. Some materials muffle sounds well. Some materials do not muffle sounds well. These materials, boxes, fabric, newspapers, and bubble wrap, all muffle sounds well. Remember, the volume of a sound is how loud or how soft it is. The pitch of a sound is how high or low it is. This mouse makes a high pitched sound, squeak, squeak, squeak. And this cow makes a low pitched sound. Moo. So the low pitch of the cow is caused by a slow vibration. And the high pitch of the mouse is made by a fast vibration. Musical instruments make sounds. This is a drum and this is a guitar. They make sounds, but they make sounds through different ways. A guitar is a musical instrument called a string instrument. A string instrument vibrates strings to make sound. See the strings on this guitar? When they are pulled, they make different sounds. Slow vibrations make a low pitch sound, and fast vibrations make a high pitch sound. When this string is pulled, it is slow and makes a low sound. When this string is pulled, it is faster and makes a high pitched sound. We can tune a string instrument to make it have the right pitch. You tune the string instrument by making the strings tighter or looser. You can change the strings and make them thicker or thinner. That will change the pitch. You pluck the strings to hear the sound and choose the correct pitch. A drum is another kind of musical instrument called a percussion instrument. You bang or shake a percussion instrument to make sound. Someone is banging on this drum, and this boy is shaking these maracas to make sound. These are percussion instruments. Another kind of instrument is the woodwind instrument. Woodwind instruments are musical instruments that have one or many pipes. This recorder is a woodwind instrument, and this flute is a woodwind instrument. These woodwind instruments have one pipe. Woodwind instruments use air to make the sound. When you blow into the pipes, the air vibrates, and this makes a sound. Remember, sound comes from a source. It comes from the start of something. This boy and this girl singing, their mouth or their voice is the start of the sound. It's the source of the sound. Sound is made from vibrations. The volume of sound is how loud or soft it is. And the pitch is how high or low the sound is.